What's up guys, Cameron, Tech Support Supervisor from FuelTech USA, here with John Lott and his Mystic Cobra, but it doesn't have a Ford engine.
No more Ford engine. We got rid of that for the logical solution. That's what LS stands for, right, Brad?
Logical? Oh man,
Logical
I'm a Ford
solution.
guy, so you hurt me a little bit.
It hurt me too. It pained me greatly when everybody gave me hell about putting a Chevrolet motor in it. Everybody kept saying, put a Chevrolet motor, put a Chevrolet motor.
But it fought you a little bit in the beginning. We found a couple issues and stuff that we were able to solve. At the end, we ended up making pretty good power. We made basically 1,400 horsepower with way more to go. That was a pretty low boost. But for the type of racing you guys do, it's not all about having all of everything all the time. So the big thing for you guys is going to be the power management stuff that our ECU offers. So I guess, would you like to elaborate on what you kind of went through today and how your day was, and you know what the FuelTech experience is like for people that are looking to come and join us on the dyno?
Yeah, we had a couple little things this morning, nothing major, just fuel related stuff. Just trying to sort all that out. But overall, I'm impressed, you know, with the day and how the car turned out. Like I said, we could have made a good bit more power today, but we know where our limitations were on our fuel system. So, yeah, good day. I highly recommend it. Like I said, so far I'm very impressed with FuelTech and how it's integrated into my program so far.
So to kind of go a little further into that, we found that it was dropping fuel pressure a little bit today, and one of the channels that we have on our data logger, which makes it a little more obvious to find those problems, is our differential fuel pressure channel. So instead of looking at your fuel pressure plus whatever boost it is, it actually does some math to tell you what your base fuel pressure is. That line should remain flat throughout the entire run, and we started to notice that it was dropping. When you look at that channel, it's kind of like zoomed in or blown up, so you can really see all the fine details related to fuel pressure and all that kind of stuff when it comes to diagnosing problems. Once again, doing this kind of stuff in this environment is the safest thing that you could possibly do. If that would have happened at the racetrack, and for instance you didn't have closed loop O2 turned on or something,
we'd be buying a motor right now.
It would be hurting the engine and then potentially putting oil on the track or something and making it a dangerous situation. So coming here to sort you guys' cars out is you know, a thing that really needs to be done. Saves you a lot of time, saves you a lot of passes. You're not fighting the weather. It's raining outside right now, and we were just making 4-second, or you know, somewhere in the 4-second realm passes inside the dyno room. So love to have you guys comment and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, guys.